Hey, this is Friday's morning ching. Basically, I'm doing nothing today. I'm gonna take a couple little things out of storage, go through them, probably throw them out. I gotta get my landlord to fix the rear door, remount it and make it more secure so some douchebag doesn't get himself killed breaking in. I said the DB word. Sorry. Uh, let's see. It's Friday. It's beautiful out. The weather is. Get out and enjoy it. I don't know what it's doing in PA. I'll call my cousin later. I think it's probably a little bit of the same. Down south, I still haven't heard, so, what the hell. They're like a couple hours behind us. Speaking of Florida, this weekend, a lovely young beauty is taken off the market, boys. It seems a lovely friend and reader of the Morning Ching, JoJo, is getting married tomorrow. Her husband is a quite a lucky man because she is very pretty and she has a wonderful personality. Usually that's safe for an ugly chick, but and hey, nothing against women, ugly women, pretty women. Like I'm a day at the beach anyway. You know what I'm saying? But I wish you good luck, Joe. You're a good girl and have a great time. Have a good life. Speaking of lives, since I don't have one, it's going to be a real short chink today. I'm, basically just going to do that little storage thing, go see my crazy aunt. But one thing I want to do is give a shout out to crazy fucking Larry from Narrowsburg, New York, or Narrowsburg, however you want to pronounce it. That's the old Dutch version of Narrowsburg. It's his birthday today. I wish I could be there. I know Sparkles wishes she could be there. I know you're gonna have a great time today, dude. I would just wish I was there to set off rockets for you, you know. So if you're up in Narrowsburg, New York, and you want, stop by Janet's Rivertown Tattoo and Piercing Shop and say happy birthday to Crazy fucking Larry. And if you mention my name, they'll ask you to leave. Have a good day. Have a good birthday, brother. And JoJo, have a great life, honey. That's it. Well, thank you, my little FF friend. Okay, I'm done. Just gonna find the off button as usual. It's a brand new laptop configuration. They change it constantly, so nothing wrong with me. It's the fucking computer.